Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable startup apps on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select startup. Let the list load. Every app that opens as startup will be on, so I will switch off those apps which I do not want to open on startup. Okay, I don't want this one either. I don't want Slack either. Oh God, I never knew all of these were open. Anyway, so this is how you can disable the startup apps, and obviously to enable, we will go to the exact same page. Okay, and then I'll find apps that I don't mind enabling at startup. Okay, that's how I will enable by simply turning on the switch. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.